Hello everyone. Today in this daily minute series, we are going to see another topic of agronomy. Today we'll see a few questions from the herbicide sections. Okay. Our first question is, what is particle size of fine spray in micron? It is asked in micron. Greater than 600 micron, greater than 500 micron, greater than 400 micron, 100 to 400 micron, or 50 to 150 micron. You see, particle size of various sprays are, see, coarse, if you talk about the coarse spray, then its size is 400 or greater than 400 micron. Fine spray, it is 100 to 400 micron. For mist, it is 50 to 150 micron. For fog aerosol, it's 1 to 50 micron. For smoke, it's 0.001 to 0.1 micron, and for vapor it's less than 0.001 micron. Then but the question is asked about fine spray, then fine spray answer will be 100 to 400 micron. Next question is asked about which of the following is pre-emergence herbicide: atrazine, elachlor, betachlor, metribuzin, all. See, if we talk about the herbicide classification, on the first we talk on the time of application. Some is pre-plant applied, like application of herbicide when we apply herbicide in finally prepared or leveled soil on day or just before sowing of a crop, that is known as pre-plant applied, like fluorochlorine. Okay, but if you talk about the pre-emergence, means application in these herbicides are applied 1 to 2 days after sowing or immediately after sowing of a crop, but before the emergence of crop. Okay, like you can take the example atrazine, elachlor, betachlor, or metribuzin. All these are pre-emergence herbicides. Then there is post-emergence also, means we apply these herbicides after the emergence of crops and weeds. Okay, generally 15 to 30 days after sowing. In this 2,4-D, isoproton. Okay, these all are used. Then answer to this question is all. Next is, which of the following is non-selective herbicides? Okay, see, there are two: paraquat, glyphosate, diquat, amitrol, all. See, there are two group of on herbicides based on the selectivity. One is selective herbicides, which kills selectively a particular group of weeds. Okay, example, all, if you take about the example, then all the pre-emergence and post-emergence herbicides comes under the selective herbicides. When you talk about the non-selective herbicides, this group kills any specific species of plant irrespective of weeds and crop. They are used in controlling weed in roadsides and non-cropped area. Example, paraquat, diquat, glyphosate, amitrol, and see. Then according to the options, answer will be all. Four are correct, means all is the answer. Next is, against which herbicide highest number of weeds have been found? Your options are atrazine, glyphosate, 2,4-D, paraquat, amitrol. See this question. Actually, highest number of weeds found resistance against atrazine herbicides. Nearly 66 weed species has found resistance, and highest number of weeds found to be resistant to herbicide, which belongs to the family Poaceae. Okay, and maximum number of weeds resistance has been reported from wheat crop. Okay, but here the question is regarding herbicide. Then answer is atrazine. Okay, next, against which weed category 2,4-D is not useful? Okay, see, 2,4-D is useful against wider variety of weeds, but generally when we talk about the 2,4-D, it is useful against dicot like broadleaf weed, sage, monocot, cereals, monocot, but this is not effective, useful against the pulses. Okay, then our answer will be pulses. Like this, tomorrow we will come with another video regarding the topic of agronomy and the good important questions related to that topics. So you do subscribe our channel so that you cannot miss our any video. Thank you.